Namaskar. As part of our continuing learning series, proud to present the Ashtanayikas. Ashtanayika is a collective term used to describe the 8 types of Nayikas or heroines as classified by Bharata Muni in his Sanskrit treatise for performing artists, the Natya Shastra. These 8 Nayikas have been classified on the basis of their emotional states or their avasthas with relation to their Nayaka, the hero. These 8 Nayikas are further classified on the basis of love in separation, which is Vipralambha, and love in meeting, Sambhoga. For the past 2 months, my senior disciples have been delving into the nuances of Nayika Bhava, and we decided to put up this series purely for academic pursuits. We hope that you take the rasa of these items. Extremely delighted to present the Nayika series.
The Kalahantarita, also known as the Kopita Nayika, is the one who is separated from her Nayaka because of a quarrel. She turns him away in anger, either because of his relationship with another woman or because he fails to heed to her commands. She is later remorseful about this harsh decision of hers. The Kalahantarita Nayika has been depicted by Anagha Dussal through the Padam Maname Bhushanamu, composed by Karveti Nagar Govindaswamy. In the Padam, the Nayika, in a fit of anger, turns her Nayaka away and is remorseful about it. She starts to recollect her conversation with her Sakhis. One had said, "Ari, I saw your Nayaka with another woman. What is going on?" Filled with mistrust and jealousy, the Nayika has a fight with the Nayaka and sends him away. She is filled with guilt and sorrow, and she now regrets this harsh behavior of hers. The Nayika in this portrayal is a Manava, that is, of human origin. Being a Swakiya Nayika, she is completely faithful to her Nayaka. She is a Madhya Nayika, that is, she is not wholly experienced in love. She is Adhira Nayika, that is, she expresses her anger irritably and is impatient. She openly rebukes her hero and blames him in public. Presenting Maname Bhushanamu in Ragam Shankara Bharanam and Talam Mishra Chap.